How to plan a 3-day class program on online course creator. Planning a 3-day class program for online course creators involves structuring the content, activities, and learning experiences to cover key topics and skills relevant to creating and launching successful online courses. Here's a suggested outline for planning a 3-day class program. Day 1. Understanding online course creation. 1. Introduction to online course creation. Overview of the online course industry. Benefits and opportunities of creating online courses. 2. Identifying your course topic. Techniques for selecting a profitable course topic. Assessing market demand and competition. 3. Defining learning objectives. Understanding learning outcomes and objectives. Aligning course content with learning objectives. 4. Content creation basics. Planning and organizing course content. Developing engaging multimedia content, videos, slides, etc. 5. Platform selection and setup. Overview of course platforms and LMS, learning management systems. Choosing the right platform for your course. Setting up your course website or platform. Day 2. Creating and developing your course. 1. Creating engaging content. Strategies for creating compelling video lectures. Designing interactive activities and assessments. Writing engaging course materials and resources. 2. Building a course curriculum. Structuring your course curriculum for maximum effectiveness. Sequencing content and modules to facilitate learning progression. 3. Engaging your audience. Strategies for fostering student engagement and interaction. Building a supportive online community for your course. 4. Technical setup and troubleshooting. Setting up technical tools and resources for course delivery. Troubleshooting common technical issues and challenges. 5. Legal and ethical considerations. Understanding copyright and intellectual property rights. Ensuring compliance with data protection and privacy regulations. Day 3. Launching and marketing your course. 1. Preparing for course launch. Creating a compelling course sales page and description. Setting pricing and payment options for your course. 2. Marketing strategies for course promotion. Developing a marketing plan for your course launch. Leveraging email marketing, social media, and content marketing. 3. Building your audience and generating leads. Techniques for attracting and nurturing leads for your course. Building an email list and leveraging lead magnets. 4. Launching your course. Strategies for a successful course launch. Managing enrollment and onboarding students. 5. Post-launch optimization and growth. Analyzing course performance and student feedback. Iterating and optimizing your course for continued success. Throughout the 3-day program, include interactive activities, group discussions, case studies, and hands-on exercises to reinforce learning and encourage participant engagement. Provide ample opportunities for participants to ask questions, share experiences, and receive personalized feedback from instructors and peers. Adjust the content and activities based on the specific needs and skill levels of the participants, and consider incorporating guest speakers or industry experts to provide additional insights and perspectives. Finally, provide resources and materials for participants to reference after the program concludes, ensuring they have the tools and knowledge to continue their journey as successful online course creators.